So welcome back, crew. Hey, and welcome back to another video. Hey, so today, guys, we're down here at my shop down here in downtown Bristol, Virginia, and today we're going to have one of the biggest car shows that we have here in Bristol, Virginia. We actually cut the whole streets off here on the Tennessee side and the Bristol, Virginia side. As you guys know, you can be in two states at one time. So today we're going to take a trip downtown Bristol, Virginia, and we're going to have a nice little video of all these nice custom cars and stuff, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So we're gonna go right outside the shop here, and while we're talking, I'm gonna show you guys everything that's going on today. So we're gonna take you guys out here, nice video of cars and some trucks, and we're gonna take a quick stroll. And they call this Bristol Night, so we haven't had this car show in like 2 years. So this is the first time that we've had it in 2 years, guys. So this is come down here and block the streets off. And I'll show you here, turn you guys around. So you guys probably seen these signs here. You got the Bristol, Virginia, and Tennessee sign. So as far as you can see, they got the streets blocked off down here, and it's kind of early right now, but they have all the streets blocked off and have all these cool cars down here, guys. So we're gonna take a trip down here, and we'll probably meet a few people that we've seen before in the past. I actually got Blue Ash here, but only thing about it, they let you come in here and you can't leave until 9 o'clock, and I've been here all morning long. So hey, good, how you doing? Yep, so they have these car shows once a year. Like I said, we haven't had one in about 2 years, so. This is my buddy's car here. Now, this is all original. He got this when he was in the military. Hey. Yeah, so this is Mr. Musick here. Now, he actually got an interesting story about this old Ford here.
It looks better with the hood down.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, up or down, and still, she's awesome, man, I tell you. Yeah. Now tell me, once again there, now this is him, he's the old GI.
Yeah, and
That's actually, that's it.
Alaska.
Fairbanks, Alaska?
Fairbanks, Alaska, yep.
All right. Now that's actually used to drive that as a work truck?
No, I bought it. I paid $75 for it at the military salvage surplus auction.
Okay, yeah.
$75.
$75.
And I fixed it, and when I got my discharge in Fort Wainwright, I drove it home to Southwest Virginia.
Right.
5,000 miles one way.
Wow.
That looks like yours. Wrong color.
Wrong color, yeah. I've seen it a couple of times.
It's original, stock. Something about original, but it's stock.
Yeah.
292 Y block, 2-speed automatic transmission, and a 370 gear ratio in the back. It's not fast, slow,
yeah,
like
hey.
me. But I traded it in 19 and
That's the story I remember. You let it go and got it back, right?
traded it in on a brand new 69, and they gave me $800 for it.
Wow.
I thought I'd won the lottery. So in 2011, now that was in 1969, same story.
Okay, go ahead.
In 2011, I was down at the F100 Super National
Turn the page.
truck show, and a man come in with my truck on his trailer.
Wow.
Now I still have the bill of sale where I bought it at the auction, and have the first title and all the paperwork and all that. And I fixed it all myself, done everything myself.
So you brought it from the guy that brought it on the trailer?
Yeah.
Okay. Brought it back.
I had to pay him $6,000 for it. And
Ah.
It was junky. It wasn't drivable.
Right.
But it was my truck.
That's right.
So I had to buy it back. In 2011, I fixed it. All done it all myself except the machine shop work on the engine and transmission.
Yeah. Hey, well, I'm gonna walk around. I appreciate your story again.
Sure.
It's always a pleasure seeing you.
very
It's
welcome.
always a pleasure seeing you guys when I run into you and stuff. What a treat, guys. What a treat. All right, that was Mr. Musick, man. He's a really good guy. This is my buddy's vehicle right here.
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Abby. How you doing? I'm good, thank you, though. Guys got that green serpentine belt. You know what that means? That pushing 1,000 horsepower. Tequila time. That right there. I like these old cars, man, I tell you. Great. Tell you what, this is a new one. I haven't seen this one. And this one here is really clean. Let's take a little walk around this one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
All right, look at this here, guys. Gary,
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
Chris, you seen your video yesterday?
No, we ain't got to see. You got it on there now?
Got it on there. Got posted one today and one yesterday. I did 2 of them.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, so you're on there.
Yeah.
You guys know Chris and Gary, guys.
Hey, buddy. How you
All
doing?
right,
How's
doing
it feel?
great.
How you doing?
How you doing, man? You doing all right?
I'm Chris's son-in-law.
Oh, all right, great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
But yeah, you're on there, man.
We'll look that up.
I can't wait.
Yeah, yes, sir. I got you on shorts, and
I don't have shorts. I don't wear them. I got
it's
skinny legs.
it's a YouTube thing. All right, look at this one here, man. This got to be a first series. This is the same exact one that I'm building now. Oh man, I'm excited about this one. Introduce yourself.
Glenn Stites,
All right, so I see you, now. What series is this here? This a 55 or 54?
54.
First
5 window.
5 window. All right, and did you do
series.
first series? So you do all the work yourself
I've
there?
done a lot of the work.
A lot of the work to it?
Yeah.
So hey, tell me a little bit about what you done to it, and let's start with this engine, baby, if you don't mind.
I put the added the air conditioning stuff in it with the LS motor. It's got 4-way disc brakes all the way around it.
How do you find that LS motor?
Just check around and see if I can find them.
Yeah, it's looking good. That's awesome, yeah.
Then I done the Corvette flags, and I'm gonna have my logo put on the door.
So what's your logo gonna say?
Piney Bluff Speed Shop.
Oh wow. Now, do you have a speed shop in Piney?
Yeah.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah, I've got about 5 or 6. Yeah.
Oh man, I can't wait to see them and stuff. So yeah, I remember you did. Now I do remember you stopping by the house, and I think you asked me if I had one on for sale at one time, didn't
I
you?
did. You had a red one sitting out there.
Yeah, that 47.
Yeah.
I sure did.
But
Now,
it's a lot
I
better.
see you also did the interior as well.
Yeah.
Now is that custom or did you?
No, I had it done.
Okay.
I hired a guy in Kingsport to do it. Battery box.
Oh,
Battery box.
that's what a battery. Go ahead, open that up. Let me see. Can you open it up?
Battery charger.
Look at that. Wow, that's cool. That's pretty cool. I like you did your door panels.
It's got power windows. It's got air. It's got it all.
Yeah, it's kind of funny to see a lot of these people because at my shop and stuff, I'm out there working, and a lot of people stop by, and I forget their faces over time. And a lot of people, hey, you don't remember me? I stopped by your garage to see you and talk to you about your cars and your trucks. And a lot of people get ideas from me and stuff, and I forget the faces or whatever, then they remind me. So I always think that's pretty cool. And Glenn back there, he was one of the guys that came by the shop, and he was like, hey, I know you. I stopped by your shop and stuff. So I always think that's pretty neat, guys, especially when you're in a small community like we are here. You run across a lot of people that you know. So I thought that was pretty cool. So let's get back to these cars. All right, guys, so we're gonna walk back down on the other side of the street now. So we're down this way here. Let's walk back down here, see what we can find. So far, which ones do you guys like? Leave down in the comments the ones you think has been some of the slickest cars so far, man. There's a lot of them. It's hard to choose. It's hard to have just one favorite when you come to these shows like this, man. There's just so many of them. It's hard to have just one, you know. While I got you on camera, man, go ahead and give a shout out for your YouTube channel.
Boosting Bad Habits, we're down here. This isn't really our style of stuff, so we're kind of unique in all this, but
for sure,
we got some crazy stuff going on out here.
They really do, man. If you like turbos and burnouts, these guys are the way.
Stuff up. Long nights.
Yes, sir, man. They put work in, guys. I see them in the neighborhood a lot, and I just want to give them a good shout out and stuff. Nice talking to you.
You too, man.
I'll see you around.
Good luck out there.
Yes, sir. All right, so y'all guys go check them out, man. They got a YouTube channel, so they're doing really well on YouTube, guys. It's one of the local guys here, man. So go check them out. And when you check them out, tell them Restos and Mods Garage sent you, CJ. Give them a shout out. Go check them out. Corvette there. Got that carbon fiber back there in the back. Got a lot of carbon fiber, I tell you. Dale McKinney. Hey, this yours? It's nice. I like that carbon fiber. You got the nice little touches, details. I'm telling you, man. You got a lot of custom stuff. Who did your custom speakers and stuff for you?
I bought the car exactly the way you see it.
No way, really. All right. AC/DC. I like how he French's headlights back, his rear headlights. Look at that. They're French like that. How you guys doing? Is this yours here?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, that's I like how you got that French. What year is this here?
49 Chevrolet.
All right. You got a name for it? I know you got a name for it. No. Johnny, hey, she said Johnny Cash. All right. Look at that there, man. That's slick. Got those big French headlights. That's those right there. The headlights here. That's custom as well. He got those French as well. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, guys. 1962 Mayberry. Oh, Bonnie 5. This is the Galaxy. You don't see these every day, do you? Let's do a little quick walk around. right, guys. So we've been down here for a couple of hours. Hope you guys have been enjoying all of the cars and hot rods. So I think that's going to be it for this video. You guys make sure you go back, check out all my other videos. So much stuff going on in the summertime, you can't catch all of them. This is actually our second car show of the year. So, but I'm gotta start picking and choosing all of the different car shows that we go to. This is one of the major ones. Hopefully with the COVID restrictions and stuff, they'll start having more car shows. Unfortunately, I won't be able to catch all of them because you guys know I'm currently doing a build right now. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And like I always tell everybody, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.